Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Sarah and today we are going to talk about daily routine.
Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Zara, how are you today?
I am good today. How about you?
I am very good too. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Sarah, what time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, I like waking up early.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
That sounds like a good routine.
Thank you. What about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I drink a glass of water.
Oh, really? That is healthy.
Yes, I try to start my day in a healthy way.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I usually walk for 20 minutes.
That sounds nice.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. Breakfast is very important.
I agree. What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Thank you. What is your favorite breakfast?
I like rice and eggs. Sometimes I drink tea.
Tea is very popular.
Yes, many people drink tea in the morning.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I usually start working on my computer.
Oh, that sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy my work.
That is great.
Zara, do you study in the morning or at night?
I like studying in the morning because my mind feels fresh.
That is a good idea.
Thank you.
What subjects do you study?
I study English and history.
English is very useful.
Yes, it is. I want to speak English fluently.
Me too.
How do you practice English every day?
I listen to English podcasts and watch videos.
That is a very good way to learn.
Thank you. Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I try to speak English with my friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is very fun.
Listeners, what about you? What time do you wake up every day? Please write your answer in the comments.
Yes, we would love to know your daily routine.
Zara, what do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually eat lunch and relax for a little time.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you. What about your lunch?
I usually eat noodles or rice.
Do you cook your food?
Sometimes I cook, but sometimes my family cooks.
Cooking can be very fun.
Yes, I agree.
What do you do after lunch?
I continue my work or study.
That sounds productive.
Thank you. Do you take a nap?
Sometimes I take a short nap for 20 minutes.
Oh, really? Does it help you feel better?
Yes, it helps me feel fresh and active again.
That is nice.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I spend time with my family.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, we talk together and watch TV sometimes.
Family time is very important.
I agree with you.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
I usually eat dinner at 8 o'clock.
I usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
What do you do before sleeping?
Before sleeping, I read a book and listen to soft music.
That sounds relaxing.
Thank you. What about you?
I watch videos or use my phone for a short time.
Many people do that.
Yes, that is true.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually sleep at 11 o'clock.
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Wow, you sleep early.
Yes, I like having enough sleep.
That is very important for health.
Yes, it is.
Now let's learn some simple English expressions about daily routine.
Great idea.
We can say, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Yes, wake up means to stop sleeping.
Another sentence is, I brush my teeth every morning.
That is a very common daily sentence.
We can also say, I go to work or I go to school.
Yes, these are useful beginner sentences.
Let's talk about grammar a little.
Okay.
When we talk about habits, we use the simple present tense.
For example, I eat breakfast every day.
Very good.
Thank you.
We also use words like always, usually, sometimes, and never.
Yes, these words talk about frequency.
For example, I usually drink coffee.
Or I sometimes watch TV.
Great examples.
Thank you.
Let's learn one pronunciation tip.
Okay.
The word routine is pronounced routine.
Yes, routine.
Very good.
Thank you.
Another useful word is breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, and practice English every day with us.
Practice is very important.
I agree.
Zara, what is your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part is the evening because I can relax.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it is. What about you?
I like the morning because everything feels fresh and quiet.
That is very nice.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music during your daily routine?
Yes, sometimes I listen to music while studying.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and relaxing music.
That sounds wonderful.
Thank you. What about you?
I like happy and energetic music.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes, it helps me feel active.
That is great.
Let's ask our listeners another question.
Okay.
What is your favorite part of your daily routine? Please tell us in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
Zara, do you think daily routines are important?
Yes, I think routines help people stay organized.
I agree with you.
Good routines can also help people feel less stressed.
That is very true.
Do you make a daily plan?
Yes, sometimes I write a to-do list.
Oh, really? That is a smart idea.
Thank you. It helps me remember my tasks.
I should try that too.
Yes, it can be very helpful.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I relax and spend time with friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, sometimes I also watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Comedy movies are very funny.
Yes, they make me laugh.
Laughter is good for health.
I agree.
Today's conversation is very interesting.
Yes, I am enjoying it too.
Me too.
Before we finish, let's review some useful words.
Great idea.
Wake up,
Brush teeth.
eat breakfast,
Go to work.
study English.
Go to bed.
Excellent. These are very useful daily routine phrases.
Yes, beginners can practice these sentences every day.
Reading aloud is also helpful.
Yes, it improves pronunciation and confidence.
That is true.
Try to practice a little English every day.
Small practice can make a big difference.
Exactly.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.